Hello, friends, followers, and supporters. This is Vanji. I'm broadcasting live from the Netherlands. I'm 58 years old. I'm a Filipina wife, mom, and grandmom. I'm a Zumba instructor and at the same time, a very happy and proud digital business owner. Again, I'm sure that you will say, digital business? Again, digital business. What is digital business all about? Well, for this very quick live session, I'm going to give you some information about digital business. It's so simple. Digital business basically is an online business where you and I are already a part of. Either you are an online business owner or you are an online customer. So we have a choice, right? Basically, online business is a marketplace where people can exchange their services or the products. The difference is that being in digital business, you do not have to have a physical store or a physical office for you to be able to reach or sell to your customers. Now, another thing is that in digital business, we make use of digital technologies as an integral part of our business operation and business model as a whole. We make use of social media platforms to reach our global customers. That is basically, actually, that's the easiest way to describe what we do in our digital business. Well, in the coming days, and I'm sure you are interested because I have been asked many, many times what digital business is all about and what do we do as digital business owners. Well, this is your chance because in the coming days, I will be sharing with you more about digital business, how you can be one if you think this is something that you would want to try for yourself to enjoy the freedom that we digital business owners are enjoying at the moment. So stay tuned. You know what? The good thing is you are already in it. You are watching this video. That means you are in the digital space. What you need actually, a laptop or a smartphone, internet connection. That's all it takes. So here we are, day number one. Tomorrow, I'll be catching with you again. I will be sharing with you more about what we do as digital business owners. See you then. Have a nice day.